Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for everyplate. Now, if you're not sure what everyplate is, it is a food delivery service. Now, they designed their program based on complete meals. So you choose a meal, they get the ingredients together, put it in a box, and send it off to you. Now, you do have choices of how many meals per week you would like. Now, for me, I chose 4 meals. Well, thank you, Ellie Mae. For me, I chose 4 meals, and they're 2 servings each. Now, you can adjust how many meals per week and how many servings as well. And so for me, 4 meals, 2 servings each is normally $53 a week, which is much cheaper than a lot of the other services out there. Also, right now, they have a special where you can get your first box for $1.79 per meal, per serving, sorry, per meal. Okay, it says $1.79 per meal, plus another 2 boxes, 20% off. So this is my second box. My first box I only got for $25.25. This is my second box. Normally it's 53 something, but I'm getting this for 45 something, the 20% off. So I'm very happy about that. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. I've got it on the chair next to me over here. What it looks like when you first, it's heavy. So you get your paperwork, which includes your recipe cards. So what did I get this time? I got garlicky white sauce flatbreads, directions on how to make it, French onion chicken, honey ginger pork chops, and farmer's market penne. So those are my recipe cards. What's in here? Seriously fun science and art projects at kiwi.co. And this bag is pretty cool. All right, there's a tray in there. I'm going to go grab it. So there's the tray. And then the protein sits on an ice pack. And here's my protein. These are the pork chops. And this is the chicken breast. I'm going to put that right back in there. And we're going to look at this. Just look at this. If a recipe calls for half an onion, they'll go ahead and send you a whole onion. But I have carrots. What is this? Chives. Lemon, tomatoes, onion, mushrooms, more tomatoes, zucchini, cheese, even these little things. What is this? This is a little pack of honey. I mean, they send you everything you need. Potatoes, another head of garlic. I've got a lot of garlic now. Flatbread. Even the ginger, a little chunk of ginger. Yeah, all the sauces, all the cheese, all the seasonings, everything is included. And I thought I did think, what are the serving sizes going to be like? Is it going to be enough? I mean, it'll be enough for me because I'm still watching my weight. But my husband, we got to feed them. So I wanted to make sure there was at least enough for him. There is plenty for both of us. Plenty. So there's no shortage on the portion sizes. And last week we were very happy with our box. The instructions are easy to follow. They average about 30 minutes to make a meal. Some run over, some are a little less, but it's very easy. And it's my husband said so far, it has taken a lot of the pressure off of him when he goes grocery shopping. He's the shopper, and he loves this idea that he doesn't have to go and buy hundreds of dollars worth of stuff and put it in the car and then bring it in the house and all of that. It's all in a box. It's all thought out for us. We don't have to pick anything except, I think I want that. And they'll like, okay, we'll put everything together for you and we will send it. So we are very, very happy with the service so far. On that note, I am very glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.